Hey guys, this is Patrick. I am short 25 TF contracts at 1268.7. I see a little retracement that should happen. Kind of stinks that it's 12 o'clock Central Time, but I think it's going to bounce around here a little bit, and then we'll get at least a 61 retrace and maybe even 100. I've got my limit stuff kind of stacked down until I start seeing the movement. I've got my stop 2 points above, 2 ticks above the high. We have been absolutely just straight up all day, so I do see us getting at least somewhat of a pullback. We've had little 2 pointers, 3 pointers from the top. This one was about a point and a half. So the little pullbacks are getting tighter. So hopefully when everybody gets back from lunch, we'll at least see a pullback into the 1267.9 to the 1267, somewhere in that area. If not, it goes up, stops me out. I'll be done for the day, and I've had a decent day. It will kind of stink as of right now. I've had a decent day. 35,000 gross profit, netted 18.6. Traded 177. Most of them were this morning. So we'll see how it goes. I will give back about $5,000 more if this trade doesn't work out. If it does work out, I'll be done for the day for sure. So I'll pause the video, and as soon as some movement starts, I'm gonna go get me something to eat, and we'll go from there. Alright, well, I've adjusted some of my boundaries. I've got it at the 61.8, ticking 1 tick and 2 ticks above the 100%, and this 65.5 and 65 area is about a 23% retrace from the move from about, I guess it was late yesterday, late before the close, around the 1246.7 to high 1270.6. So a little retrace, see if we can get a 23% retrace back into this area, taking profit as we go. Just want to give you an update. You see, not much is happening around the lunchtime area, and this thing could possibly go back up here and take me out. I am perfectly aware of that. I do have a plan. A little bear flag push, foot. We've got it pushing down, and we have got other things that I'm watching that if the lower time frames don't start pushing on the higher time frames, I'm probably going to run into a little bit of trouble. But right now, holding my ground. We'll see how this thing goes. We should start seeing some movement here in the next 45 minutes or so. So I'll be back to you. Alright, well, this thing's starting to come down a little bit. We just a few more ticks. We'll start. I did move the 65 up here. I know it's not a huge amount. That way I can limit some of the risk. Some of my indicators are running into support. Some have already broken their support. So getting a little bit of mixed signal. So if I can get a couple ticks out here to reduce my risk, I don't want to blow the day, I guess. But I really do see, at least there's another way to look at this as well. We can look at the full retracement here to here. That's 61.8. 100% retracement would be down there at 65. Might be smart, prudent to move one here. I might actually do that. Okay, we're gonna be getting hit here. I'll go That's why I'm going to leave it. Then we'll see how this thing pans out.
Order canceled.
All right, we've gotten hit coming down into the 78.6. So we should be, now the way that's pushing, we should be able to get down here and get to this target here. Um, as soon as this target and this target's hit, I'll start adjusting my boundary to,
Order canceled.
now I'll take some more risk off. I'll go one tick above the hive here. We should start getting our push down now. You see the aggressive selling. All right. There we go. We should get another push. I don't know if the 65.5 is going to get hit, but like I said, actually 65 is the 23% retracement from the 4 o'clock, maybe 3:30 low of yesterday or something like that, or the 245 area yesterday. But it should come on down here and take us out here as well. Come on, you little stinker. Gotta like it when they get right there to you. I didn't really check if my boundaries were set right, but it should hit us. It should go ahead and take us out. Then I'll leave this one on, bring my stop one tick under, and make it pretty much break even. So one tick under, cover commissions. Well, just trying not to make a long video. Okay, there we go. Now we'll just move this under, one tick under, let it go. Like I said, this is 5 ticks above the 23% retrace from yesterday. So I'll pause the video and I'm actually trying to fix me something to eat for lunch. So as soon as I get done with that, I'll come back and give you an update how it went. All right, so we have made it to the 100% extension from this little move here. Now it's decision time. So what I will probably do, I've moved. I'm 3 ticks under my entry, but I'm up 2 points. I really see this thing getting down to 6. Well, the black line I've marked here, that's off a higher time frame, is the 23.6% retracement. So 5 ticks above it, I'll be happy. Gross profit, I was 18. Let me generate it again for the day. Now I'm up 21,000, but gross profit 37. Lost 16.8. I got caught in a very bad trade this morning, later in the morning. That anyway, just unacceptable. So 80% profitable, 188 contracts so far. So over trading will get you in trouble. That's for sure. So we'll see if we can get this pushed down, and then it's 12:30 my time, and I'm in Houston, Texas. So I'm usually done by 10, but I went fairly large. Where I can't remember where it is now. Oh, here. I think it was this clumber of crap that I got caught into this morning. But luckily, if you'll check here, that's what I love about the TF is came right into the 50% retracement from the overnight move to the open, pretty much to the at 8:32, 8:33. Maybe a couple minutes, had it set up middle of the Keltner band support. I was able to buy into here, and I was able to get a decent amount of trades in today. You know, this little tray sold, brought in, that's a little 32, I believe, from here to here. No, it was another 50% retracement. So, giving you some good opportunities. So, we'll see how this thing goes. It looks like we're slowing down. I'm still seeing some pressure on the higher time frames though. That we should be able to make the 65 actually, but we'll see how it goes, and I'll get back to you.